In this part of the world, we don't have many boat launching ramps. So we came up with our own version of a kayak trolley cum launcher. As you can see here, it's all set to launch a kayak right into the river. We have a Hobby Mirage Oasis here. These are the two front posts whose height can be adjusted as per the river tides or as per the terrain conditions. Then we have a middle support for additional strength. Then we used Kit's bicycle wheel for the trolley, and then we have a hand operated winch system to launch or retrieve the kayak. This is its view from the land. Take out this locking thing, then just let her slide slowly. Now let's bring her up. Two persons would make everything much more easier. So here she comes, nice and easy. These are rotatable pipes. Can make the slide easily. Now I am going for a little kayaking. Awesome. Please watch part 2 of this video if you are interested in building one.